Much like in the old X-Wing or TIE Fighter games in the 90s, or the more recent Squadron video game, you are responsible for controlling power levels for your starfighter. Power in your engines, represented by the blue bar in the bottom left corner, controls your top speed, acceleration, and maneuverability. Power in your lasers, represented by the red bar, controls the rate your cannons recharge. Power in your shields, represented by the green bar, controls the rate your shields recharge after taking a hit. Your overall power usage is shown in the purple bar. The more power you are consuming at any one time, the faster your fuel will deplete. Again, this is a feature that will be implemented in the future. Clicking the 1 key will increase power to your engines. Clicking the 2 key will increase power in your lasers. Notice that if power in my lasers is above half, my red laser bar in the bottom right hand corner will start to increase, increasing the amount of charge in my lasers. Clicking the 3 key will increase power in my shields. If my shield power is above half, then if my shields are below maximum, they will start to recharge. If your engines, lasers, or shields are at full power and you click the corresponding 1, 2, or 3 key, the power will drop to 0. You can also deliberately transfer power from your engines to your lasers, or vice versa, by holding the key of the power source you want to transfer from and tapping the key of the power you want to increase. For example, if I want to transfer power directly from my engines to my lasers, I can hold down the 1 key and tap 2. If I want to transfer back, I can hold the 2 key and tap 1. You can also increase or decrease overall power usage by clicking the up and down arrow keys. With this power management, a cool little trick you can pull off is a drift maneuver, which is something you will occasionally see starfighters in Star Wars do in various movies, TV shows, and video games throughout the years. Basically, it involves pulling all power from your engines and letting your ship drift before putting power back into your engines to sharply switch your direction of flight. In real life, the G-forces involved will probably kill you instantly, but in this sci-fi world, we can hand-wave that out of existence with inertial dampening technology. With certain ships like the X-Wing or B-Wing, you have S-flows, which you can open or close by clicking V. When your S-flows are closed, your ship will be slightly more maneuverable, but you cannot increase the charge in your lasers, no matter how much power you put into them. When your S-flows are closed, you can still shoot your lasers though.